persistent problems that are affecting us today, from devastating floods to rising sea levels. Millions of lives are at risk. Our team, Siren.exe, has built a platform that combines real time data, predictive models, and community action to empower people and save lives. On the homepage, users are welcomed with a stunning interactive 3D model of Earth. Built using Spline, this model isn't just beautiful, it's functional. Rotate, zoom, and explore to navigate into deeper layers of our platform. Our Earth page acts as a live climate dashboard. It's updated every 4 hours and it showcases wind, currents, waves, and temperature at different altitudes across multiple projections such as flat map, polar, etc. Users can pinpoint any location to get wind speed, temperature, and geographic details in real time. On the map page, we focus on India with datasets from 2018 to 2025. Users can compare climate patterns across years. They can also upload data of their own datasets. For example, from Centennial Hub, like as shown in the video. Most importantly, our AI driven prediction models simulate floods and extreme climate scenarios, helping authorities plan better. Coming on to our weather page, the weather page provides live updates of coastal regions and allowing searching specific locations along with temperature, humidity, and conditions. It also shows the most viewed photo of that place, connecting science with lived reality. Alert page. Our alert page keeps people safe. It fetches official warnings from government affiliated agencies about cyclones, floods, and tsunamis. In times of crisis, an SOS message from the government is directly displayed, ensuring people are informed instantly. For training purposes, we also showcase demo hazards. Analysis page. The analysis page is the brain of our platform. It explains oceanic data like wave direction, swell speed, current speed, and their impact on navigation and marine activities. To build trust, we keep the process transparent, explaining how the analysis is done. To add depth, we include professional talks from geographers and climate experts, making this platform not just data driven but also educational. Users can explore wave current interaction, potential energy distribution, directional wave spectrum, temporal forecasts, and even a real time swell speed graph. Isn't enough. Community action matters. That's why we're building features that directly support people in need. Funding and donations. Users can contribute to verified relief efforts helping communities affected by climate disasters. Volunteering. Those willing to join rescue missions can sign up, connecting trained volunteers with disaster response agencies. SOS messaging. In critical times, government SOS alerts reach every user instantly, whether it's evacuation orders, flood warnings, or safety instructions. With this platform, we're not just analyzing data, we're building a bridge between science, government, and communities. A platform that is transparent, predictive, and action oriented. Together, we can save lives, strengthen resilience, and work towards a sustainable future.